Transfer of Delhi High Court Judge Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma to the Calcutta High Court, marking another significant judicial reshuffle in the wake of allegations against Justice Yashwant Verma following the purported discovery of cash at his residence. And this is coming in as we keep getting you back-to-back updates. The latest, the collegium headed by Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, made the recommendation on Thursday. Transfer had been under consideration for some time but was expedited following recent developments and questions about transparency in the judiciary. So back-to-back updates coming in here on Republic TV viewers. And I want to go across to my colleague who's joining us. Rhythm is joining us on the story. Key demands are being made. And Rhythm, you know, this is coming the backdrop of the questions being raised on the judiciary and the kind of transparency and integrity that judiciary should be holding. Yes, Rhythm.
Well, what we need to understand here is a few facts in this case. First, the Supreme Collegium on the 27th has recommended the transfer of Justice D.K. Sharma from the Delhi High Court to the Calcutta High Court. Remember, the Calcutta High Court is the oldest constitutional court in the country. The second thing we need to understand here is that it is the bar of the Calcutta High Court. All three bodies of the bar have come together, and in this letter that has been accessed by Republic TV, they have written and expressed concerns over the judge's past allegations. They've attached the email. We don't want to go into the email, we don't want to go into the allegations, but they have said serious concerns have been raised by them. And finally, they have said this complaint was given in October last year, when Justice Chandrachud was the Chief Justice of India. One question here is, what action did Justice Chandrachud take to assuage the fears that have been raised by the Calcutta High Court Bar Association? The second thing is, we're also going to try and speak to members of the Bar Association today of the Calcutta Bar to understand why these serious apprehensions. Of course, the judiciary's image is getting and being eroded here, Shivangi, but the larger picture currently continues to be what action will be taken in both these cases, the Justice Verma case and the Justice D.K. Sharma appointment case, where he's been now transferred to the Calcutta High Court, but that notification from the central government has to yet come.
Right. And if you could take our viewers through some more details coming in, Rhythm, because the Calcutta Bar opposed the collegium recommendation to transfer Justice D.K. Sharma to Calcutta High Court. And there were some concerns also which have been expressed, you were saying, stating that the Calcutta High Court does not deserve a judge with a questionable image or a short stint.
So they're saying that he should not be transferred there because of certain allegations they've mentioned according to what he did in the Delhi High Court. I don't want to go into that because as of now, those are mere allegations. They've not been questioned. They've not been investigated. But keeping that in mind, the Calcutta High Court Bar Association has said we had serious concerns about the past antecedents of Justice D.K. Sharma, and therefore a person with a question mark should not be sent, with a questionable reputation should not be sent or transferred to the Calcutta High Court. That being the case, we really have to see where this case really goes. Now the collegium has already asked for his transfer immediately, that also on Thursday, that is the 27th of March. We have to see whether the central government will notify this collegium decision or not.
All right. Thank you for getting us all those details, Rhythm. I will be coming back to you. We move ahead right now to some of the other stories.